Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 40i, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find App Management. Then let's tap on Special App Access, and here we have to find the option Install Unknown Apps, which is as you can see at the top. So let's simply tap on it. And there we've got plenty of the whole list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something, and of course you can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.